Atolla jellyfish are common residents of the deep sea. They are found as far as 4,000 metres below the surface in the bathypelagic zone. The species is instantly recognisable due to its singular long trailing tentacle. The tentacle acts as a fishing line, armed with stinging cells known as nematocysts. It snags any unfortunate prey before the jelly reels it in to consume. This feeding method expends very little energy, and the tentacle even has the ability to regenerate if it becomes damaged.